Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about software testing lifecycle. Software testing lifecycle is generally used for complete or throughout software testing scenarios or software testing journey. So we'll discuss here what is software testing lifecycle, benefits of using software testing lifecycle, uses of software testing lifecycle, characteristic, phases, and entry and exit criteria of software testing lifecycle. Now, software testing lifecycle is generally it means about grouping different set of functionality or stages into one. Testing system is to guarantee software quality objectives are met. STLC includes both check and approval exercises as opposed to mainstream thinking. Software testing isn't simply a single or isolated activity. For example, testing it comprises of progressions of exercises completed strategically to assess the ensuring a product item is well suited without any defect. Now, some of the STLC benefits include this will increase consistencies and effectiveness as project requirements are analyzed. So here, this software testing lifecycle is go one by one stages where testing team is verifying the complete applications one by one based on the requirement received from the product owner or from the stakeholders. This will clear and define goals for test product, which helps track the project's process. So generally, it will clear the complete process and projects to be done. The confidence in each feature passes testing before adding additional features. Tests are designed in meaningful manner so that we can cover end to end about the applications without throwing any loopholes within the applications or without missing any defect. Specifications are clear, which helps the team member to test the complete application thoroughly. It is a systematic approach that quickly resolves bugs and defects in the product. Now, which all uses of software testing lifecycle we have? So generally, removing its shortcomings during the earliest and most profitable stage of the development, removing its shortcoming during the earliest and most profitable stages of the development, then maximizing control over the quality of the product being developed at all stages of the SDLC, figuring out how using this testing lifecycle in Agile, Scrum, Safe, etc. influences their applications, delivering a quality product not only to the client but also to the users. Which are characteristics of STLC we have? STLC is essential piece of software testing lifecycle. We are verifying the complete applications end to end without missing any defect within the product. Otherwise, if we will have any defects available, probably the end users not like that product or they will run out of the applications or they run away from the applications. STLC begins with the prerequisites are characterized or software necessity record is shared by the partners. STLC yields a bit by bit interactions to guarantee software quality or software product. So which all phases of software testing lifecycle we have? First is requirement analysis, where complete software testing team is analyzing the applications and based on that they will start creating the documentation for software testings. Generally, they are generating scenario and test cases based on that. Test planning. Test planning is an important part where complete team or the test manager is planning the complete application to be tested in how many days and who all will be involved, which all applications will be required, then what is the entry and exit criteria, as well as different other aspects to be maintained. Estimation process, everything is covered here. Test case development. So after planning, test case development is the important part, and those who are creating the test cases and scenario that should have experience. Otherwise, they might miss few of the critical test cases, which may miss the defects. So software test case development is an important part so that we can cover end-to-end testing and with the complete scenario. Environment setup is again an important part. Without environment setup, we cannot present. If we are into the QA team, then we should have the QA environment. If we are into the testing team or UAT team, so that should also have the different or separate set of the environment. And once the environment is set, we have everything available, then testing team will start executing these test cases, that is called as test executions. And based on that executions, they will report if they will found any defects, they will raise the defects, as well as they will forward to the respective team member. And finally, test cycle closure, where complete testing will be covered, and here the testing team will share the status report about the testing, which all goes well, which all goes fine, as well as if any defects are available. So these reports will be shared with the complete team. These all the stages of the software testing life cycle we have. So what is the entry and exit criteria of STLC? Entry criteria gives the essential things about what should finish prior to the testing can start, and exit criteria characterizes the things that should be finished prior to the testing can be closed. So these are the entry and exit criteria of STLC. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the thing. If you want to learn about complete software testing, then please watch my software testing playlist. I will include the URL in description tab. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.